In today's video, I will walk you through how to mute and unmute sound on Zoom. If you're using the Zoom desktop app, all of the audio controls you need are located on the bottom bar of the meeting window. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to mute and unmute yourself, disconnect your computer from the meeting's audio, and adjust your speaker and microphone settings. Okay, to mute yourself, look at the bottom left corner of the meeting window and find the audio button with the microphone icon. Click this button to toggle your microphone on or off. When the microphone icon shows a red slash, your microphone is muted, which means other participants will not be able to hear you. Keep in mind that muting your microphone only affects what others hear from you. It does not mute the meeting for you. You'll still be able to hear everyone speaking, along with any other sounds coming from the meeting. If you want to stop background noise from your side while continuing to listen, simply click the microphone button to mute yourself. When you're ready to speak again, click the same button to unmute your microphone. There is another audio option available. From the small arrow next to the audio button, click that arrow to open the menu, then select Leave Computer Audio. This disconnects your computer from the meeting's audio completely. Okay, so after you choose Leave Computer Audio, you will no longer hear anyone in the meeting, and other participants will not hear you either. Even though the audio is disconnected, you'll still be able to watch everything happening in the meeting, including participant videos and any shared screens. This option is different from simply muting your microphone. Muting only turns off your microphone while allowing you to continue hearing the meeting. Leaving computer audio disconnects all meeting sound in both directions, while keeping you connected to the meeting visually. If you need to adjust your audio devices or volume, click the small arrow next to the audio button again and choose Audio Settings. This opens the settings where you can manage your speaker and microphone separately. Under the Speaker section, select the speaker device you want to use, such as your computer speakers or your headphones. Then adjust the speaker volume until it reaches a comfortable listening level. Next, choose the microphone you want to use. You can select your laptop's built-in microphone or an external microphone if one is connected. Adjust the microphone input volume so your voice comes through clearly. All right, so this is the home screen. See how it all looks really familiar? I think you're really going to like this. Now, go ahead and hit in the Messages tab. Okay, perfect. See how easy it is to send a message? Oh, wonderful. Now, let's see how to add files to it. Go ahead and click that paperclip. All right, great. Okay, so to summarize, use the main audio button to mute or unmute your microphone while continuing to hear the meeting. Use the arrow next to the audio button and select Leave Computer Audio if you want to disconnect your computer from all meeting sound while still viewing the meeting. If you need to adjust your devices or audio levels, open Audio Settings from the same menu and choose the appropriate speaker and microphone before setting the volume levels that work best for you. With these controls, you can easily manage your audio throughout your Zoom meetings.